Hey everybody, it's Lindsay with Organized to Save. Today we are in a bathroom, and not my bathroom, but in my best friend's bathroom. She is getting ready to have her first baby, so I came over to her house and helped her with a couple of different projects just to get a couple paint areas ready and set to go so that when baby gets here, she doesn't have to worry about it. So today I'm going to take you into the bathroom, into her closet, and show you how we transformed it on a $0 budget. Yes, that is right, $0. Thank you so much for coming to check out today's video. If you are new, welcome. My name is Lindsay, and on my channel I talk all about getting you organized to save your time, money, and space. If you want to learn how to get organized, make sure you subscribe below and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any other videos, as I post them every single Wednesday. But let's go ahead and dive in, and I'm going to take you through the steps, show you exactly the process that we did in order to get her bathroom closet transformed on a $0 budget. Alright guys, so this is the before. So as you can see, everything's just kind of thrown in there. There's no real system. All of her medicine and everything was just thrown in there. There's a ton of expired stuff. Towels weren't folded neatly, and everything on the top row didn't have a pure home. So the first thing that we did was just cleared it all out, so that way we could go through every single item, because that's going to be key in order to get your space to function properly. So as you can see, it's all cleared out, so we have a nice clean slate to work with. First thing that we started doing after we got it cleared out was to sort things by likeness. Now I talked about this a lot because it's really important to be able to group things by category, so that way you can properly know exactly what you have, sort through expired things, duplicates, etc. So what we did was we just used these 3 bins that she already had on hand. So we shopped her house for these, again, $0 budget. And we just started grouping them by category. So in the first one on the left, we put all of her first aid stuff. The middle one was all the bottled medicines. And then the one on the right was all the other miscellaneous medicines. And what we were able to do was just kind of group them together, and then go through every single one and, start taking out the expired stuff and actually start organizing it properly with how she's going to use it. That is all of our recycling and trash.
Recycling, trash.
Craziness. So once we had all the medication stuff tackled, we moved on to all of her bags. She had a bunch of different travel bags in here, and as we were going through them, we used the largest bag and then started putting all the other bags inside of it, so that way they all have a home and they're not going to just fall down off the shelves. But it's really key as you're going through things to actually think about what you have, what you're going to use. If you have duplicates of things, keep, maybe just one of them, or get rid of both of them if you don't actually use them. So that was really important for us to go through every single one of her items and only keep the ones that she is actually actively using. So the other thing that we did was we created a toiletry bag. And this is just going to be a bag that she can go to as they go on trips and everything. It's just going to be all in one little location, so that she can just grab the bag and add anything extra that she wants to put in there for a trip. Next, we tackled all of her towels and linens. We refolded all of the towels so that way they fit nicely together. And I put all of the washcloths in a basket. Then the other thing that we did was for her sheet sets, we folded the fitted sheet inside of the flat sheet. So it's really easy just to grab out the whole package when it's time to make their bed. Once everything was sorted through, we started putting it back in the closet. We put all of her washcloths file folded in this little basket that she had on hand, which I talk about file folding a lot in my videos. Put all of her medical, first aid stuff in this little caddy that she had, which is great because then she can take it with her wherever she needs to in the house in order to fix a boo-boo. All of the pill bottles were in the center because that bar made that drawer harder to come out. And then on the right hand side was all of the extra medication stuff. Putting it in these bins helps keep it contained and really easy to find what you're looking for. As you can see, it looks so much better. Everything has a home. She has extra space where she can put her stock of like tissues that they needed to refill on, but so much extra space on the top and the bottom of the closet as well. Guys, so that is it. Just a couple simple steps that you can do in your own closet. You can implement these in a bathroom closet, a hall closet, any type of storage closet that you have. It's gonna make a huge difference just setting up those few steps. Let me know in the comments below if you liked this kind of video where I go into someone else's space and make it over. I'd love to do more of these for you guys if you like it. Don't forget to check out the videos on your screens for some more organizing inspiration, and we'll catch you guys next time.